Hello, I am Sheeta Rajput from Team PactSage. Our problem statement is generative AI for demystifying legal documents, and for this, we have built a solution: Know Your Terms. Legal documents are often full of confusing jargons, hidden clauses, and complex terms, making it hard for students, small businesses, and citizens to understand what they are really signing. To solve this, we created Know Your Terms, an AI-powered platform that simplifies, summarizes, and explains legal documents in a clear and user-friendly way. Some of its key features includes agreement summary, legal chatbot, case summary, language translation, agreement process guide, template creation, visual video summary, and document review. Let's get started. First, the user log in with their mail and password. We have also provided a testing account for easy access. After login, the user lands on the dashboard where we have built four core working features that are agreement summary, agreement process, case summary, and chatbot assistant. One of the most powerful and central feature of our platform, Know Your Term, is the agreement summary. We have split it into three categories to match real world needs, that is business, citizens, and students. For better guidance, each category include examples so user can easily identify where their document fits. The platform is flexible. User can still analyze any type of document regardless of category. Let's take a business agreement as an example. Once uploaded, our AI-powered system automatically start processing and analyzing the document. It will take as usual time according to the length of the document and generate a clear summary. The output is structured into about section for a simple summary, clauses for highlighting key terms, risks, and improvements, financials that shows payment or investment details, compliance notes shows the relevant legal rules, final assessment for overall risk score, recommendation for AI-powered suggestions to strengthen the agreement. User can also download the complete analysis in PDF format for convenience. The citizens and student categories follows a similar process with tailored section like repayment details, clarity scores, and fairness check. With just one upload, the agreement summary gives you clarity, saves time, and empower you to make confident legal decision. Next is the agreement process guide. Here, user can search for any type of agreements like rental contracts, home loans, or marriage agreement. Within seconds, they receive a clear step-by-step guidance, including the process flow, required document, online drafting option, estimate cost, and when professional help is needed. This empowers users with the knowledge to handle agreement independently, reducing reliance on costly or corrupted intermediaries. The third feature is case summary, which allow user to search and review Indian legal cases effortlessly. User can type law, court judgments, or keywords and instant get a list of related cases. After selecting a case, they receive a structured summary covering fact, issues, argument, judgments, and legal principle. This helps judges, journalists, and law students quickly grasp complex cases without reading lengthy documents. We integrate with the Indian Kanun API to ensure access to update and authenticate legal cases of India, making the platform reliable and trustworthy. Finally, we have the chatbot assistant where user can ask any law document related questions. The chatbot is specially trained on legal queries, providing quick, reliable, and easy to understand answers. This makes legal knowledge accessible to everyone without needing expert guidance every time. Know Your Term empowers students, business owners, professionals, and citizens to understand, analyze, and manage legal documents without costly legal services. It makes legal terms simple, transparent, and accessible, so you always know exactly what you are signing. Thank you.